Look at all these people.
That's funny.
Everybody's just trapped in here trying to get out after the fireworks. There's like people walking.
Fireworks ended like 20 minutes ago.
Yeah, the fireworks ended like 20 minutes ago. And everybody's just like, who the hell beeps their horn? It's the most loudest one all day too. Well, they had a few ones that are like very, very loud, but well, yeah, somebody actually beeped their horn like there's an option to move out the way.
Yeah. See, this is why you shouldn't come to a freaking parking lot for 4th of July.
People firing those little sucky sparkler
And they're going up flags. I'm like, all these guys that hate big fireworks and even the parking lot for this little firecracker.
a crowd of people. Even they're having like troubles trying to cross through here. Yep. There was like this one, oh yeah, there it is. It's like a random van. Now somebody with a motorcycle is oh. Well, some people are firing the most random ones. But yeah, it's a van over there and people like on it. And it's some weird guy with a hat. Somebody with a hat. I think he's like somebody on a building? Where? Looks like there's other people on buildings around here. And now it's like a whole flock of people. More random lights on the ground.
Yeah, have fun beeping those horns.
Fire trucks, because somebody just... But people had heart attacks or something. I know, right? The one 15-minute video is going to take like 15 days.
You actually upload?
Yeah. That was just random.
That person pays some good money.
I know, right? And the part is, that's the ghetto area. And how did they get this? This is coming from the ghetto area.
Okay.
And they actually got all of this.
They're like outclassing all these other people around here.
You know, it's like slightly better than the show we just watched. I mean, they ain't do nothing like that.
That kind of felt like Grand Finale.
Exactly. A random star over there. How are people getting this? I feel bad for people in Texas who can't fire.
Wow, it looks like you're in New York over there.
I know it does. People in Texas can't
Random people running.
shoot fireworks. Where?
All those people are down there running.
What, somebody caught on fire? Now somebody's getting kidnapped. You left them all the way over in the bag. Yeah.
I'm about to run out of this watermelon.
Another person randomly running.
Yeah, randomly throw the fireworks. See that lady down there?
I'm still looking for the person that's on top of a building. I mean, I thought we was the only people fortunate to get on top of buildings.
Yeah, it's on that, I think that's a dentist over there.
Oh, you mean that?
No.
Oh, you talking about the bank?
Yeah, over there.
Oh, they are gonna be able to. Actually, I think I do see it.
There's two of them.
Where's that?
I see them now.
Is that
You can
cars?
move a little bit more focus.
Like,
They're like right to that tree.
oh, now I see it. Yeah, there's people on top of houses over there. Well, it's like a bank. I thought I was gonna be the only person on top of a building. You see that blue car over there? It has only moved from right there to right there.
Yeah, what?
This blue car over there has only moved from right there to right there. Throughout the entire time of filming.
Like us, they would have
Walked.
Yeah. It's actually kind of cool living over there because there's a lot of coast stuff.
I don't know, my neighborhood's only close to forest and stuff.
Hey, you get a dash in the Knicks.
True. And at CVS.
The
Cool CVS. Yeah, but mine's better. Well, actually, never mind. Yours has more stuff. Mine's just comfortable.
Yours is open all day.
Oh yeah, true. I normally don't go there until night too.
I don't ever go to Walgreens. Walgreens is fine. CVS is better.
Well, I'm just gonna end it because there's probably nothing else interesting you're gonna see.
I'm trying to think of something funny to say, but, yeah.
Well, I would throw something down here, but this is kind of seeable. I bet while people are shooting at, somebody's getting shot too. Well, yeah. Well, they just contradict you.
Okay, so that's like coming from.
Well, last year somebody said that Wakefield had a lot of stuff, so. Well, yeah, I'm going to end it now.
Yeah, peace out.
Later.